Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today um, we are going to talk about the escape character. Basically, the escape character within a string. So first, we all know that what is the string in HTML concept? It is zero or more characters. If you write within double quotes, not double quotes, within quotes, when you write zero or more characters, that is what we are calling string, right? So for let me write a small example to explain the escape character. Let me write a small uh, paragraph stuff, p element, then id. I will just give escape demo. Now I will close it. I will close it, right? That's all about. Now what I do is let me keep script tag. Let me keep script tag within that. Okay, now what we do is to explain the escape character. First, let me write a small string. My text, my string. Okay, my string. Let me give some value. Hello, like how are you, something like that, right? It's a test string I give. Now what I do is I will just output the value document dot get element by id of get my p element id. Let me copy and paste that. Let me copy and paste that. Now dot in now html is equal to, I will just give this value just to output that value, nothing else. So let me so I would be able to see the test string first of all, right? So let me run that page first. Now right click, open with Chrome. Yeah, I should be able to, hello shiny, how are you? So this is what a test string, how it works, right? So what I am going to do is that now we know in certain cases we might have to use codes surrounding some words, right? In that case, two ways we have. For example, when I give single quote here, hello, and this one, this is fine, this is perfectly fine, because there is no confusion of JavaScript won't get confused with anything, because this is the actual surrounding is double quotes, and the surrounding for the word shiny is single quotes. So as long as it mismatch, as long as it doesn't have any match with the surrounding quote, here it's double quotes, here it's single quote, so it doesn't match. So as long as it works fine, perfect, it works perfect, so there won't be any confusion, and it works as expected. For example, let me run that page, it will be all right, because these single quotes displayed as expected, right? But in certain scenarios, so that is the first way, we have to make sure that no there is no match between the surrounding codes and the codes around any specific word. That first we have to make sure. Another way is that suppose you have used double quotes. I mean, you might have to use the double quotes within. For example, you have some requirement like that. In that case, we use a special character called backslash. So we just have to give that backslash just prior to that particular quotes. Here again, uh, let me show you before that what will happen when it match this. Here it's surrounded by double quotes and here it's surrounded double quotes. Let me execute the file. So we are not able to see anything because JavaScript got confused, that's why. In that scenario, what we do is just keep a backslash, that is the escape character. That is what we call escape character. That will just convert this special character into string character, nothing else. So now it will work as expected. See, hello shiny, how are you? So you can use single quotes or double quotes like this in certain scenario. For example, you are giving quotes here, and here also surrounding quote is single quotes, then also it might be useful, right? So it get JavaScript will get confused because here the surrounding is single quotes, and the word also surrounded by single quotes, right? In that time also, if you use backslash, it will work now as expected. But when you remove this backslash, you won't be able to see anything as display, right? You won't be able to see anything. Yeah, that is what. So two things. First, make sure you use I mean, one way is that you can use the mismatched character to avoid this problem. But in certain scenario, you are forced to use the same double quotes or single quotes here. So all the time you cannot keep that mismatch. Certain requirements will come, so you have to use the same double quotes or single quotes. In that time, this is what you have to do: use the backslash here. So obviously we have another few other ways also to tackle this. If you have anything like that, you can share here. Just put in comment box about your about your thoughts and your valuable suggestion as well. So hope you enjoyed this video. So please share, like and comment. We will see in next video. Thank you.